Thank you for being so patient.
Thank you. Well, good evening, everyone. My name is Tom Tresser. I'm the co-founder of the Civic Lab and the lead organizer for the TIF Illumination Project. Thank you. Tonight we announced the results of our 2018 TIF analysis using this sophisticated information tool. On January 1st, 2019, there was $1.51 billion in property taxes sitting in the TIF accounts. Mayor Lightfoot, you were elected on a promise to bring a new day of justice, integrity, transportation, and accountability to Chicago, and you have an unprecedented opportunity to make a fabulous start on these promises by ending Chicago's broken and unjust TIF program and emptying the TIF piggy bank, which is nothing more than an unregulated slush fund, and returning that $1.5 billion to the local units of government. This would give our public schools a one-time infusion of $900 million. In addition, we call on you to cancel the two racist and corrupt super TIFs rushed through the City Council in the waning days of the Emanuel administration. The Lincoln Yards Project and the 78 Project were gifted with $2.4 billion of public subsidies, which include $800 million in finance fees. And these two projects are in extremely prosperous and booming parts of the city. These TIFs are an act of economic warfare on our communities of color. So, Mayor, talk is cheap and the day is late. So please freeze and eliminate Chicago's out-of-date and out-of-control TIF program.
Can I jump in for a second?
Yes.
I should have said this in response to Tom's comments about TIFs. We are looking at TIFs. It's a significant issue. We hope to be rolling out an announcement in the coming weeks. It is a significant challenge, and we are committed to making sure, at a bare minimum, that we are much more transparent about the way in which surpluses are calculated, the way in which we evaluate proposals that are subject to TIF. So we are working on it.
Thank you.